students of 9th standard, welcome back to the biology class. Today, presenting you is Mrs. Chitra, your biology teacher. Learning never exhausts the mind. Please fall in love with learning. Dear children, we are learning about animal kingdom. In the first session, you learnt about taxonomy and criteria for classification. In the second session, invertebrata, and the third session, vertebrata. Today's class is a continuation of invertebrata. There are 8 phyla in the group invertebrata, such as protozoa, such as porifera, coelenterata, platyhelminthes, ASCHELMINTHES, Annelida, Arthropoda, mollusca, and Echinodermata. In the previous class, we learnt the first 3 phyla. Today's class begins from the 4th phylum, ASCHELMINTHES. ASCHELMINTHES includes roundworms. They are bilaterally symmetrical triploblastic and pseudocoelomate organisms. They are free-living or parasites. Their body is unsegmented and pointed at both the ends. Sexes are separate. These organisms may be free-living or parasites. Free-living organisms live in the soil and parasitic organisms live in other animals' body. There is a worm, Wucheria, causes the disease called elephantiasis. This worm blocks the lymphatic vessel and causes a swelling in legs. Another parasite called Ascaris causes a disease called ascariasis. It causes ulcers, stomach pain, and nutrient deficiency. The next phylum is Annelida. Annelida also roundworms, but their body is segmented. They are bilaterally symmetrical triploblastic and coelomate animals. Their body is covered by thin outer structure called cuticle. Sexes are separate or united. Their body is divided into similar segments called metameric segments. The condition of dividing the body into similar segments is called metamerism. The organisms move with the help of setae and parapodia. Setae and parapodia are locomotory organ of this group. The examples are Nereis, earthworm, and leech. The next phylum is Arthropoda. Arthropoda is the largest phylum in the animal kingdom. They have jointed legs. They are bilaterally symmetrical triploblastic and coelomate animals. The body is divided into head, thorax, and abdomen. Each segment has a pair of legs, especially jointed legs. The animals exhibit a process called molting. Their body is covered by hard exoskeleton made of chitin. They respire through gills or trachea. The Malpighian tubules or green glands are used for excretion. They are functioning like a kidney. Molting. Molting is a process of removal of old exoskeleton by new exoskeleton. That is, the exoskeleton is shed off periodically as animal grows. The next phylum is mollusca. Mollusca are soft-bodied organisms without segments. They are bilaterally symmetrical. Body is divided into head, muscular foot, visceral mass. Body is covered by a thin skin-like structure called mantle. The mantle produces hard shell. Respiration is by gills. The gills are called ctenidia. Sexes are separate. Octopus is a molluscan animal without shell. Next phylum is Echinodermata. Echinoderms are spiny skinned animals. They are exclusively marine and free living. They are triploblastic and coelomate animals. The adult animal shows radially symmetrical, whereas the larval forms shows bilaterally symmetrical. The presence of water vascular system and 2 feet are other unique characters of this phylum. The spines are calcareous in nature. The 2 feet is used for locomotion. The water vascular system is used for transportation of oxygen, nutrients, as well as for excretion. Till now, we have discussed about classification as well as general characteristics of various groups of invertebrate animals. Thank you.